Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a review of the Bomb Burger eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've posted a look using it, though I might post it before this video. I normally do the review first and then the look, but I think I do have a look posted. If it's already up, it'll be linked up above. Let's get right into it. This palette is from Bombshell Cosmetica. However, I do not recommend you go to the website or Instagram account to try to purchase it. I don't think either of them exist anyway, but this palette is still available on other sites. I got mine on Doll's Kill. They are a very reputable company. My dog is snoring. Do you hear that? Because my mic is really clear, you could probably hear background noise. But I mean, it has a website and Instagram on the back. If they happen to come back, do not shock you though. If you want to know the drama, you can look it up on Google. I'll briefly say that they have crappy customer service. Thankfully, I never had an opportunity to deal with them, but you know, I was just wondering why their website didn't exist, because when I went to go look for it, to look for this palette, to link it, there was no website. Even went on Instagram to see, you know, anyone tag any looks or anything like that, completely gone. So I knew it was something fishy. The videos on YouTube I found were from 2019, which was very recent, only in the last year. So something shady had to have happened for them to just vanish like they never existed. Just thought I'd let you know. I think Amazon might have this palette too, and a couple of other sites. Wherever I do find it that I'm experienced with shopping on, I will link it below for you so you can get one from there. I do love this palette very much. I love the fact that it's cardboard. It's also magnetic. Has a mirror on the back of this. Sorry for my mess, you can see. And then this is the palette of bright mattes, which is gorgeous. I love the fact that it's a palette you can take apart and you can hold a mirror in your hand. You don't have to cradle it in your hand when you're trying to do a look. You can just simply separate them, hold the mirror, and then apply your eyeshadows like that. Also on the back there's your ingredients and then the burger design, which is really cute on both sides. It's adorable. So let's get right into the review. I'm gonna reference the images of my camera like I normally always do, because I did take swatches and I want to be able to know. Starting with that teal at the top left. Very pigmented, highly pigmented. I love it so much. It's a true teal, I would say. It's a true matte teal, highly pigmented. Wait till the garbage truck passes because it's making a lot of noise. The color right next to it is a purpley magenta, purple fuchsia. It's pink. It's pink. It's pretty pink, but there's a pinker color in the palette, which I'll get to soon. This particular one has a lot of purple and plum in it. And all of these colors are matte, by the way. Color next to it is this light orange. It's a peachy orange color. This works as a nice buffer shade on my skin complexion, and I'm sure on a variety of other shades. If you're lighter than me, you could wear it as a lid color and be pretty. Actually, on me too, it will work great as an actual color rather than just a buffer shade. And it's also pigment. It's not that it's slightly patchy because of my skin color, you know, but it's not patchy at all as far as the color. The color picks up really well. The color next to it is a burgundy. It's a matte burgundy, very pretty. It looks just like, all the colors pretty much look just like they are in the palette with the exception of a couple, which I'll get to, but this burgundy is gorgeous. It would make a perfect fall shade, or if you want to wear it as eyeliner, you can do the same thing. Next color is black, true matte black. Nothing bad to say about it. It is pigmented. It does what it's supposed to do. Next to it is a brown. Forgot to swatch this with the other colors that they're beside. That's why it's on a totally separate swatch picture. But this brown isn't that great. It doesn't really show up on my skin complexion. It's very similar to my skin complexion. Slightly darker, actually. So it's not one of my favorite colors in the palette. It's slightly patchy as well. Next to it is red. It's a true matte red. Nice red eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing it on my lids today. This entire look came from this palette, by the way. It's my Pride inspired look. I'll have it up soon. Next to it is a matte turquoise. This is a patchy color as well. It's a matte turquoise. If you pack on the color, if you have a white base, that will of course assist with it being patchy. But on a regular base like Too Faced Shadow Insurance, you'll really have to focus on packing the color on because it's very patchy. Third row, first color is this true purple. I would say it's a pretty true purple. It matches my hair pretty nicely. And if you notice with my hair, it lightened. I did wash it again. You probably can't tell on camera, but okay, you can see kind of there on the edges. It's a little more lavender and grayish. It's like a grayish purple now. I like it a lot. Probably more than I did the original purple because it's different and it'll be hard for someone else to copy. Just saying. Anyway, this purple is gorgeous. No patchiness. Very intensely pigmented. The color next to it is the pink that I mentioned earlier. It's a true matte pink. I don't think I'm wearing it today because it's not a color in the rainbow. No, I'm not. I did wear another look though. It's a very nice matte pink. It reminds me of Passionate by MAC. However, this one is more pigmented. Passionate takes a little bit of effort to work with. The version that I have, at least, of course, the older eyeshadows there's no problem. Next to it is a matte ivory white. I say it's a matte ivory white because it's not quite white. It looks white in the palette, but when you swatch it, it leans slightly ivory. It's more of an off-white, I would say. Works great as a brow highlight. I actually used it as one today. Last color on the third row is this bright orange, intensely pigmented. I'm wearing it in the crease. It's my favorite color, and it's definitely a great orange in the palette. Very pigmented, very vibrant. Nothing bad to say. Fourth row, this blue may be my favorite color in the palette. It is crazy in pigment. It's crazy pigmented. I'm wearing it on the lower lash line in the middle. It's part of my rainbow. It's really nice. It's a gorgeous royal blue. It's a true royal blue. It's very pretty. However, these last three shades, so this green, the lime green, it takes a lot of working with. You could make it stand out. You put it over a white base or something like NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk. I kind of made it work for the lower lash line. It's okay. It just takes a lot of packing on, a lot of patience to get on. And I might actually need to put more on because it's kind of faded away. Can't see that probably. But next to it is the worst color in the palette in my opinion. That's this neon yellow. I was very disappointed in this color. I expected it to be a lot more pigmented. I expected it to look exactly like the color in the palette. It does not. The color I'm wearing in my tear duct, I expected it to be a lot brighter, a lot more neon. That's just not the case with this color. And then the last color in the palette is this matte brown. Also a disappointment. It's not as intense as it looks in the palette. It's actually very light, very, very light. It's supposed to be a dark brown. That's not the case at all. However, if you were looking for a natural brown color, this would be perfect because it's not too dark and it would blend in with your hairs. If you have darker brown hair, be a nice natural brow fill-in color. Overall, I think it's a great palette. Let me look up how much I paid for this because I don't know. $30, and I did get a 30% discount, so I spent 21 bucks. So I think for 16 shades, that's a great deal, even though let's say 4 of them suck. So for 12 shades, $21. It's not bad. It's less than $2 a color. So a great palette, great to travel with. It's flat. Well, the traveling part, you might have to tape the edges or rubber band it or something so it doesn't move around unless you put it in your carry-on, which you should do anyway. Your makeup should be in your carry-on. I also like the fact that it's flat. It'll fit in my drawers. With my palettes, I have no need to display this. I don't display my palettes. I don't have room to do all of that. I just like to put them in the drawer so it doesn't collect dust. However, if you want to display it, you have to figure out a way to do that with this weird shape, but I have no problem with it because my thing is, as long as it fits in the drawer, it stacks on top of other things, I'm fine. As long as I don't have to store it separately, like some of my palettes. You probably already know what I'm talking about, or who I'm talking about. Won't be the case with this one. It will fit flat, and it will take up minimal space because it's so thin. Hope you guys enjoyed my review. Check out my looks. If I haven't posted, I probably have one up. I'll link it up above for you again. Rate this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. And I will also have still images and swatches of this palette on my blog. Link below. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.